The clergy are raising concern over the grave dangers that political and social gatherings pose in the fight against COVID-19. Nyeri Archbishop Anthony Muheria pressed the panic button as the pandemic also sweeps through their ranks. NTV's Melita Letenges brings us their message.
The country is still in the throes of COVID-19 pandemic with rising infections and fatalities. And while the government has at times come down hard on ordinary citizens flouting COVID containment measures, for politicians the directives have been taken merely as suggestions.
COVID ilikuja ikafunga nchi kabisa. Imesemekana hata kusimama namna hii haitakikani. Ati Raila asisimame tu aseme jambo. Lakini nimesema hata kama nimevunja sheria mpaka nisalimu watu. Sawa sawa.
Now religious leaders are casting a light upon this contradictory standard.
Desist from having gatherings. Please postpone your popularity and campaigns.
In Nyeri, COVID-19 has been quite the grim reaper, claiming 84 lives in the last 1 month due to the high prevalence of non-communicable diseases. Members of the clergy too have not been spared.
In our archdiocese, we have had more than 14 priests sick, and by that I mean admitted to the hospital. 3 of them have been in the HDU for a good number of them, in fact 4 of them. And today as we sit here, we have 1 priest in the ICU in Mata Hospital where he is on his 38th day in the ICU.
Archbishop Muheria, who was speaking after the funeral of Father Mwaniki, who also succumbed to COVID-19, frowned upon the reopening of social spaces and the reinstatement of full carrying capacity for public service vehicles, saying they could cause a spike in infections.
People are drinking, people are having fun, they are mixing, they have their masks out. We are encouraging that we don't go to any entertainment places.
While there has been a reluctance to the uptake of COVID vaccines in the country, the church insists it is a much-needed line of defense against COVID-19, especially as the country heads towards the political season. Melita Letenges, NTV.